What's the meaning of bodybuilder? Bodybuilder. Bodybuilder.
Bodybuilder. Bodybuilder. A bodybuilder is a person who engages in intense physical exercise to build their muscle mass and achieve a highly muscular physique. This involves following a strict diet and workout regimen, often with the use of supplements and sometimes steroids. The end result is a body that is characterized by large, well-defined muscles and a low body fat percentage. Bodybuilders often partake in competitions where they are judged on their physical appearance, posing routines, and overall muscular development. While bodybuilding can promote physical health and wellness, it can also be associated with certain risks such as injury, excessive strain on organs, and mental health issues related to body image.